get right here.
No,
It's
go ahead.
about where your bag is.
All right, go ahead.
Just go right here.
All right.
This is the best way for me to walk.
Okay, no problem.
I don't need to get in the way.
No problem at all.
You hit me.
No, but I just got out here.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
I caught some brim that I use for bait.
Yeah.
Try to catch a big cat. I done had myself 10.5 pounds.
Oh.
I caught him using brim.
Yeah.
I cut it in half like that right there.
Yeah.
And I was down yonder.
Oh, really?
And when I caught that thing, I was just sitting there. I had 6 fish. And I had them.
All right, so this is Gary, a guy that I just randomly met. And it turns out that me and Gary became best friends for the day, and we ended up fishing for the next 2 hours. And I guess this is what happened.
17.5.
Woo.
Holy. And I had to give it to these guys up here.
Yeah.
I kept that big one.
Uh-huh.
Hell, I've only got 1 piece left. I've been eating all of it.
Oh, nice. Nice.
There, that gar is from here to there alone.
Oh, man.
And he was about that big around.
Shit.
I've never seen nothing that big.
I have never caught a gar out here.
Oh, they got them in here by the million.
Really?
I catch them all the time. They probably one here in a little bit. I'll probably get one of them.
I want to see it.
All I do is catch them and throw them back.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Can you eat gar? Can you eat gar? No.
There's people who does Louisiana and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Mississippi. They'll eat them. And I ain't never tried, and I don't really want to.
Right.
Their bony is all get out. Yeah, it's time to catch bait. This is a worm.
Uh-huh.
Catch the little brim bluegill.
Yeah.
That's what I use to bait it.
Nice.
Everybody laughs at me.
Hey.
But it's worth fun.
I mean, hey, if it works.
That's it.
As long as it works, no matter what it is.
I think he caught one of the big cats.
Really?
And he showed me this morning. He caught it about 2 weeks ago.
Man, I want to catch one.
You ever tried to catch any carp? They're in here. An old boy that he's got in the bird, Charlie's bait shop this morning.
Yeah.
I was sitting over here and he caught him. And he was about 40 pounds.
Oh, shit.
I was sitting right there, I was laughing. Then he was talking. He said, what do you fish with all the time? Anything. He says, what is that for? And I looked down, I had shredded wheat.
Shredded wheat?
And I squeezed it up in the water, mashed it up real good, and made a bag out of it.
Yeah.
And I handed him a piece of it. And as soon as he slung it over, it wasn't but a minute and it was gone. I was like, holy cow.
Man. I'm gonna have to get back to real bait then, like live bait.
Get out and play. Well, no, don't get me wrong. That right there is real good. Oh, I said years ago, and I had my stroke come out of here. And my sister brought me over here. Keep having to fish. Bubba, I don't want you to go. I don't want you to go. I sat here and I want to go anything. I went up here and sat down and I started catching them carp. I bet I caught about 40 of them right here.
Right here?
I'll show you in a few minutes. I'll use one of these others. I'll show you when I'm done. I'll probably use this one here. I'll take me a thing of shredded wheat and squeeze it up.
Yeah, I definitely want to see
and
that.
I'll pitch it over and see what happens.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah.
I just love to catch them for fun.
Yeah, me too. Like anything. Got something already.
Gotta have bait.
Yep. Oh.
Yep.
Got him.
A lot of times I use these for bait too for bass.
Yeah.
I use them live
Uh-huh.
and hook them right around the back of the fin right here. throw them out there with a float, and the bass will take it.
Just hooking them right there, keep them alive the longest? Okay.
What I'm doing is I keep my water right here, and I have to dip down here and keep it with water in it.
Yeah.
Keep them alive. Now that one's about dead because I just caught him a while ago and he swallowed.
This is automatic, right on it.
I just have fun with it, all it is. I'm really, I don't know why I'm sitting here smiling, but I've been sitting here crying for a week. My dog's dying.
Oh shit, I hate to hear that for you, man.
I've had him for 16 years.
Whew, that's tough. That's real tough. Oh, you got another one?
Watch this. I had him.
Got him. Just like that.
Perfect size right there. You can catch these things anywhere you want. See where you're at right there?
Yeah.
Watch this.
Oh, there it is.
I don't want to get in your way. I'm just playing.
Nah, you're good. You're perfect.
Got nothing?
Ooh. On the big one?
He's a big. He got a.
Oh, there you go.
And he come loose.
Oh.
It's a gar.
Was it?
I believe it was a gar. Well, they're going to be careful too, because they'll take the pole away.
Really?
I've done had ladies that pole right there. I was sitting right here, and I had one sitting here. I had one here and another here. I heard the water, and I looked down, and I thought, what the hell my pole for? By that time I looked down, and that sucker went all the way across over there.
Oh, man.
And I don't know how I did it. I got up here and got it.
Really?
I keep walking, and I got up here and did it. And it was a gar.
Yeah. I've never seen a garden like in person. I would love to see one. I've seen how big they get, just like on TV.
Huge. That's the one I caught. That's at 27 pounder I caught it.
Oh, nice. Man, that thing looks huge. Yeah. Right here?
There's one of these. Oh, right there. Let's see. Starting right there. There. Right there. Another one right there. Right there. And that one right there. I caught them sitting right here.
I don't think I've ever caught anything. I ain't been over here too many times.
You ever seen trout in here?
Uh-uh.
Well, we've had them.
I've never.
Trout.
You don't like trout?
I don't like the way they taste.
I don't think I've ever had trout.
If I can get it, I'm gonna get this big old cat I call it.
Not up close.
I saw him over here. I got me a picture of him. There he is, right there.
Oh, that's right down there on that tree?
I
Yeah.
was sitting over there fishing,
Yeah.
and I thought it was a muskrat.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, he jumped down, and when he did, I seen that big old wide tail. I went, holy. And he stopped right over here and got on that log. 'Cause I was sitting down right here, about right there. And he stopped right there. I thought, okay, I'll get a picture of it. There you go. That's that big cat I caught.
Oh, that's real nice.
Big old flathead cat.
Man.
Oh, that was sweet.
How long did it take you to get him in?
Took me about 25 minutes.
Yeah.
And I just sat there and just held the pole like it. I had 4 kids standing right here.
Yeah.
And they was looking at my fish. I kind of had these. And I was sitting there, and I told the kids, I said, what y'all need to do is you got to stand over here and not get behind me. Because when I jerk, I'm to the left side. By that time, they stood right there, and all of a sudden it took off, and I went, quick. Ooh, and the kids was like, what is it? I said, I don't know, but it. They went and hollered at the daddy. Daddy had come over here. He come walking over, and by that time I got him right over here. And I couldn't reach the net at the time. That big old guy, he just reached over, grabbed him, pulled him up for me. I was like, cool. He was like, yeah, that was a blast. Walk all up and down there. I used to have a lot of fun back here.
How deep does it get out there?
This here, probably down about right here when it's water's getting muddy.
Yeah.
It's getting about right here, about my waist.
Okay.
I've walked all the way out to here. We sat over here, me and old buddy of mine. This is probably 20 years ago. We sat over here fishing. He was throwing that way. Another boy, he was sitting over here. I was sitting right there, and I kept seeing one moving. I mean, he was chasing minnows back and forth. I was throwing everything moving. I couldn't get him to bite nothing. I reached down, I had a cream worm. Tried that, he didn't touch it. I reached down and flipped it over, and I grabbed me a crawfish about that big. I hooked that sucker, and I fished it like at one time, nothing. I fished it one time, and I did that one time. By that time, that line went, and I was like, yeah. About a 4-pound smallmouth.
Nice.
That's probably the biggest smallmouth I ever caught.
Oh, you got something? Oh, I see it over there.
See him out there?
Yeah.
He's all in them weeds over there.
Yeah.
wrong way.
Oh, I see him running.
He's going to the bushes all the way.
Yeah, he is.
I'm gonna probably lose that one.
Oh.
Right there is in front of us. Oh well.
Did he get off?
No, he's
Oh, he's still on there?
I can't get him to come out of there.
Oh.
In the weeds now.
Oh, here he comes.
Yeah.
Woo! I see him too.
You know, he's right up net right there.
I got you.
I mean, he's a pretty big one. Hello, baby. At least I'm having fun anyway.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that is a big cart.
Oh, it is. Oh, that's nice.
He's coming back to me. I'm gonna bring him that way.
Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, man, look at that.
Damn. That's probably he's about 15, 16 pounds.
You want to weigh it? I got a scale.
Do you?
Yeah.
Did he swallow it? No, there it is.
Oh, okay. Hold on, this one. That ain't right. Oh, hold it for a second.
All right.
All right, there we go. There we go. 11-13.
11. You want him?
Now,
Put him back in the water if you want to. Let him go.
it's a beautiful fish, though.
Well, you want to play?
What'd you say?
You want to play?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right.
Let him go. Let him go.
He should be dead. He's probably tired.
There he is. There he's going.
There we go. Ah, that was fun.
Oh, that was awesome.
All right.
That was awesome.
See this hook right here?
Yeah. All right. Hey, what was your name?
I'm Gary.
OJ.
Hey,
Hey, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
You mind if I put that fish on YouTube or anything?
Do whatever you want to, my friend.
Hey, appreciate it. Appreciate it.
No problem at all. I I'm almost tempted to go right back down over here somewhere I can get out of the sunshine.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, that's pretty big. Whatever.
Catfish? That's a bass. Is it a bass? Damn, that's a good one.
That's a good bass. Oh shit, that is a.
Nice.
It's like twice as hot as mine.
Oh man. You got a scale? You want to weigh it? I got a scale if you ain't got one.
I had some one time. Hell, I normally just catch and throw them on the back.
If you want to weigh it, I got a scale for you.
That's a smallmouth, and
Yeah.
it is about 3 pounds.
That's what he said, about 3 or 4.
Yeah, let me borrow your scale.
All right.
That is a nice fish to get there.
Mine was like half that size.
Hell, any of them fun to catch though.
Oh, I hear you.
I won't say it's about 3.
With the lip, or you gonna kill it? Let's try this.
Stab them through there or something. Goddamn.
Here, put it on this. Whoa.
Quit it.
We've got so much bass.
Hang
Oh,
on.
you got them clipper things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. Hell yeah, yeah.
I
That's a
can't
good
eat
idea,
them.
There you
bro. Hell yeah, I ain't thinking about that.
I can catch me
That's
an
what
old
it
one,
is.
big old 7
4 pound, 1 ounce.
Wait, hang on. Let me delete. Tear. Let's
If I want to take them off, it should tell us exactly what it is.
All right, there we go.
213?
213, almost 3. That seems a little light. That's a.
Unless he just come off bed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? 'Cause
Yeah.
they'd be starved down when they come off bed.